What's really good, fam? It is your boy David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today I am in beautiful Huntington Beach. Today I'm meeting up with a freaking fixie rider. All right, my cousin goes by the name of Bo Jam. He has a fixed gear bike. All right, he swears by it. If any of you guys know about fixed gear culture, you know that those guys are freaking psychos. Okay, they literally look down on every other bike out there. But by the end of the video, my goal is to convert him over to the e-bike wave. So let's just find out. Guess who's here? Yeah, boy. Bo Jam. look at this dude's face right here. Look, all smiles. All smiles.
I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why you should stay on this.
He loves it, guys. That's a fixie biker. That's a fixie boy. He loves it. Look at him. He's having a ball. I can't even catch up with this guy. He has the proper hand signals. Safety first, guys, even though he doesn't have a helmet on. Does it? Yeah, 4 is like, it's like extreme, dude. It's a huge difference on 4. Yeah, you don't really have to pedal, you just gotta move it, and then it'll do it. Yeah, it keeps going like a little bit. It kind of lingers a little bit.
No, when I stop pedaling, you stop.
Nah, it don't work like that. Get out, get out, get out, get out. 28? Yeah, I was like 24. Yeah. You ain't gonna do it.
Nah.
You ain't about to stand up on the joint.
Nope.
What's the battery at on yours? Full?
Yeah.
Cool.
Good shit.
That's crazy, right? And we going, let me see how many miles we going. We've only gone 6 miles. That's crazy. I thought we went more than that. That's decent though. That's decent. Yeah, we gonna be flying, dude. Yeah, that's the point. That's what I be doing. When I be on my way home, dude, I be going 25 the whole way.
Captain Morgan.
You said what? Oh, we passed Captain Morgan, you said? I love it. Oh. Ah. I can't do it. I'm gonna work on it, guys. Watch. Give me like 2 months. I'm gonna be riding wheelies for sure. This guy. Extreme. You wanna race? How fast that thing go? 80?
No, 25.
Oh, does it?
Oh, that's the same as this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Like 25. Let's do a race. 1, 2, 3. Careful with this fan. Oh, he's pedaling. Oh. Oh.
His acceleration melted you. Melted.
Take off.
That was good. All right, can I race? I want to race his partner.
Yeah. All right. One more. Put it in 5 though. He's gonna take off on you. Yeah, go that way. I'm tired, guys. Took a lot out of me. All right, we're going race number 2. I'm gonna try to keep up with him.
Yeah. No pedaling. That's cheating, man.
No pedaling? It's gonna take forever. All right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, he's out. He's out. Yeah. Yours got way more acceleration.
That dude's gonna catch it. Pedaling his ass off.
Yeah. And there it is, guys. The electric XP. It lost the battle, but it hasn't won the war. I don't know. Oh, tight fit, tight squeeze. I'm right behind him. In formation. Got it. I'm following. Everything. Okay. Right with him. What are you gonna do now? Trash can split. Ooh. Where we at? Ooh! Subaru loop! Where's he at? Yeah. Okay. Taking it easy on this one. He's eyeing it. Oh! Can I make it? Yes. I still made it. He's nice. He's nice. Oh, is he gonna do the van split? No, he's not. Second guessed it. I'm right behind him, guys. It's nothing to a boss. Oh, almost hit the barrel. Close one. No cigar. The leg is out. Oh, true dirt bike stance. Nearly missed the guy in red. Oh, tight squeeze. Technical skill. Look at the size of those puppies there, guys. God damn. You thought the electric XP had some fat tires? Check out these bad boys. I think they float on water. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Oh yeah, this looks like a good time.
Wheelchair 6000.
What'd you say?
Let me tell you about the Ultimate Wheelchair 6000.
There it is.
Yeah, this right here is a premium top of the line joint. You see these inflatable joints? You can push a motherfucker on water, they're gonna stay up. Let me also tell you, these are 100%, 1000% safety proof, okay?
Okay.
This has been skyscraper tested, okay? Push somebody off, okay? They're gonna bounce and land completely safe. It has an inflatable airbag underneath that you have not seen. If the rafter goes down, this will float you guys to safety. It's been tested, Moana proof. Let's go. Legend has it, Leonardo DiCaprio had this on the Titanic, okay? He lost it, that's why he drowned.
Alright guys, we about to dip now. We about to go super fast back. Fun ride up the beach. Now we about to be zooming. Time to kick in the NOS, guys. You ready? Yee-hoo! Vin Diesel style. Oh shit. Fucking police, hold on. We gotta slow down, guys. Now we're moving. Now we're moving. This is what I've been waiting for all day. Here we go, off-road, guys, off-road on you. One time. Woo, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Out on it. You can't even catch me. Y'all saw it, 28 miles per hour. And that's how you get it on the electric FB. All right, guys, we back at the car. That's the end of the joint. How'd you feel about the ride, Jam?
Huh? It was crazy.
Do you like electric bikes?
I love electric.
Are you ready to make the switch from fixie culture to the electric evolution?
No, but I will name my son Electric.
If you guys like videos like this, hit that like button. I might make more. If you guys like Jam, so I want to make a YouTube channel.
Next pick.
All right, till the next video. Deuces. Like that.
Look, money, my money, my money. Living a life and that for me. You cannot tell me you want me. I gotta get it 100. I gotta get it 100. 100 times over 1,000. Looking at me like I'm crowded.